plan we have today is we're going somewhere to visit a tourist spot. So we're thinking about Hoover Dam. So I'm so excited to go there.
Woohoo!
That's one of my bucket lists. And thank God for my husband for driving this much, for driving this long. I'm just happy that he loves to drive. And of course, I'm helping him out. It's just that he loves to drive more than me. So anyway, we're heading out. I'm going to get changed. And of course, I'm gonna help my kids to get changed also while he's sleeping. He needs some sleep. Alright, ta-ta for now. It was awesome! I love the place and we really enjoyed it. So follow us and we'll see where we're going next. Ta-ta for now!